Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a productive day in the life vlog. I've been wanting to do more vlogs on my channel, especially kind of like college related vlogs. So I always like want to do these videos and I always film them, and then I feel like I'm never happy with the footage, so I never end up posting them, but I want to do more of them. I wanted to do one of them today. I woke up fairly early. I actually woke up at 6 and then I just kept pressing snooze for like another hour, so I actually kind of woke up at 7. Then I kind of like made my to-do list, kind of got up, brushed my teeth and stuff, and now I'm actually physically up and out of my house, and it's like about 8. I'm at Starbucks. I just wanted to get a venti coffee to start the day since I got up early on my day off. I have a lot to do today on my to-do list. I've got 3 videos to edit and 2 videos to film because I kind of fell behind the last couple days. I have really not been feeling well the last couple days actually, and then I just have a bunch of like random things I need to do. I really want to do a very good deep clean of my room because one of the videos I'm filming is a room tour, just like dusting, not like anything crazy, but just making sure my dressers don't have just a bunch of stuff on them so they look nice for the video, which I feel like those actually are kind of okay too. I'm also going to be doing a call with a company today, which I haven't really done that in a while, so just kind of like hopping on a call and kind of going over the guidelines for like a sponsored video. Look at that sunrise. Well, not really sunrise, but just like morning sun. I know I look kind of disgusting because I don't have makeup on or anything. I'm back at my house, obviously. I'm just sitting at my desk trying to get some stuff done. I need to email my professor a JPEG file of my project because class was canceled, so I want to make sure people are still working on their project, which I definitely did not, but I do have some progress on my project, so I need to email him that. And then the main thing I want to do first is edit and upload my American Eagle haul, which is I'm actually going to post this morning, so I want to get that up like as soon as possible. I usually try and post around like 10 a.m. my central time. I do hop on that phone call that I was telling you guys about at noon, and then I want to film a fall outfits video, which will probably take a really long time because I wanted to do a lot of outfits, like 20 outfits or so. I want to film my room tour as well and try and edit and upload that one as well. So that's a lot of filming and editing today. Okay, the American Eagle haul is 100% done. It is uploaded, well, I guess it's like 90% done. The actual video itself is completely edited, thumbnails made, descriptions typed up. I'm just waiting for it to upload to YouTube. Okay, so I started to do my makeup, but I haven't actually finished it yet because I was texting my friend while I was doing my makeup, and yeah, so I just didn't have enough time to finish it because I was like texting and stuff while I was doing it. I was just kind of going over and making notes of like questions that I needed to ask the brand that I'm having the phone call with, and just kind of going over the contract and the talking points. I did my phone call. I wish I did that with like every brand because it really helped me just like go over everything and feel good about the video, ask any questions. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I might have some lunch because I'm actually really hungry. So I've just gotten ready for the day, and my American Eagle haul is like officially done. I just need to set it to public. I just want to watch it through one more time before I do that. I'm just gonna eat lunch really quick and then I'm going to film my fall outfits video. I need to clean my room before I film anything. So after lunch I was just catching up on some emails because I'm a professional businesswoman. Oh my gosh, I was joking, but I can't even talk. I kind of looked at all my, I didn't mean to like completely do this, but I actually just planned out my schedule for next week. So day by day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, everything I need to get done next week. The only reason I really did that was because I was trying to figure out which day I should make my appointment for my nails. Now I'm going to actually clean up my room so I can film my fall outfits video. It's already 3:30 and I haven't even done that yet. I just really don't want to film that video. Like normally I'm like excited to film outfit videos, but it's just like, it's just really time consuming and I want to make it like really good and I just like don't have the energy. I just have to be really creative to like come up with the outfits, and I'm in like productive mode, not creative mode today. It's like when I'm in the mood for it, I can't. And when I have the time to do it, I'm not in the mood for it, so. Okay, this looks like a mess, but this is the behind the scenes. I'm gonna film the fall video. It's still pretty light outside, so I think I should be good as long as this doesn't take too long. A little sneak peek, I've got like the sweater, denim jacket, couple sweatshirts that I wear often, just like a jacket, just like a lot of my like staple pieces and go-to kind of outfits. And then I have a whole bunch of things here that I'm just gonna style a whole bunch of different ways. This video should be up before this one, so I will link it in one of the corners so you can check it out. I'm gonna film this and I will talk to you guys afterward. Hopefully the lighting is still good and I can make it through filming this. Update, I did not get the whole entire thing done. It's now a little bit too dark. Like, obviously it looks fine in the vlog, but it's just a little dark here for the outfits video because I like to have my light off. Like right now my light's on. But when I film like my main videos, I like to have my light off because it's just kind of yellow. So if my light's off, it's just a little too dark in here. So I got most of it done. There's really only a few outfits, so I'm gonna finish that up tomorrow when the lighting is better. I hate that I didn't get it done. If I wouldn't have procrastinated it all day, I could have definitely gotten it done. Like if I would have just started it even 30 minutes sooner, I would have gotten done. So I'm a little frustrated with myself, but it's fine. Since I ran out of time for that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean and get my room all prepped for the room tour. So that's one last thing I have to do tomorrow. Tomorrow I will film the room tour and finish filming the outfits video, and then edit the room tour, and then I might just edit the outfits video another day because that won't take me very long. Okay, I'm going to hang all the clothes up that I already filmed and clean my room. I know I've said that like 10 times, but I'm actually gonna do it now. So insert fast motion cleaning montage. Also, it is really storming outside. Can you hear this? It's like severe thunderstorms, flash flooding, all kinds of craziness. So I'm kind of enjoying it though, like from inside the house. The room is all clean. I got like the surfaces of all my like dressers and everything like all like decluttered and dusted. So those are all like really clean. I got this all cleaned up. It literally never looks like this. It looked disgusting. I put my hair up. But anyway, yeah, so just been cleaning. Should have vlogged myself doing it, but I just honestly did it really quick. I kind of forgot I was filming. Gotten a lot done on my checklist today. So basically all that's left is that I need to fake tan. I also kind of wanted to like go over my videos and stuff that I have planned the next couple weeks like one more time. So I might do that really quick, but let's go over everything that I got done today. I emailed my professor a file of my projects. Not really that big of an accomplishment, but I did that. I completely edited and uploaded a video, phone call meeting with a brand, made a nail appointment, emailed a company about a sponsorship. I really got like a for sure answer on that, so I'm not really sure. Filmed my fall outfit. That was kind of like the one thing I didn't really get accomplished very much today. I wish I would have filmed that fall outfits video sooner. I did get my whole entire room cleaned and ready and prepped for the room tour video tomorrow. Ordered a bunch of stuff on Amazon. I don't even think I filmed this or talked about it, but I completely cleaned my bathroom. Yeah, it's a pretty productive day, and I'm gonna redo my fake tan. I haven't decided if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, so if I don't vlog tomorrow, I hope you guys enjoyed this productive day. I know I look super rough right now, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys would like to see more of these on my channel by thumbsing up if you did enjoy. Comment below what you like to accomplish on your productive days, like what's like always on your to-do list. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.